Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to subscribe to Disney Plus using Gcash. So first thing you're going to need to do is go to Disney Plus website and then just go ahead and browse to their subscription page. So from here you can see the monthly and yearly price. And then once you tap on that, just choose the Gcash and then it will redirect you to the Gcash page. So let's just wait for a moment. Alright, so from here, as you can see, you have to scan the QR code with your Gcash app to continue. So just go to your mobile application. Now open your Gcash application. So tap on skip for now. And then tap on the QR. And then just point it to the QR code. We'll just wait for it. Just tap on the check and then authorize. And then you have to paste here the code, send your Gcash number. So just put it here. Once you're done, just tap on next. And as you can see, the online payment linking is successful. Now this is how it looks like in your website. So you just have to wait for the payment confirmation from Gcash, and then you just have to follow the prompts to confirm the transaction, and that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!